Good morning, everyone. My name is Juliana Mari R. Igloria, and I will discuss the structural modification. What it is exactly? Yes, it is a use of words or phrases to show further information or description about a thing, a person, a place, an action, or any quality being labeled. In general, modification is a structural construction where one grammatical element is modified by another. The structural modification is composed by two elements. Number one, we have the main word or the head. Number two, we have the modifier, which describes the head and a way affecting the head's meaning. Here the given example, the lovely woman performed the dance gracefully. As you can see, the underlined word in there is the head, which is woman and dance. And the modifier is lovely, which is our adjective, and gracefully, which is our adverb. Second example, we have frankly speaking, I think that is a losing case. Our our head in there is the word speaking and case, while our modifier is frankly and losing. Yes. So here we have the adjective are the modifier of noun and adverb are modifier of verbs. Adjective modifiers may come in series where words of different grammatical levels have one grammatical function. Adjective modifying a noun. Of the example here, these four little ginger kittens. The pronoun here is the word this, while the number is the word four, and the size is the word little. Color is the word ginger, while the noun there is that underlined word, which is kittens. Same as the other examples, we have the first three eager applicants. The article there is the word the ordinal there is the word first, the cardinal is the word three, the quality is the word eager, and lastly, the noun is the word applicants. Have here nouns and verb are usually the head of the phrase, but not all times. The head also includes other grammatical categories such as adjective as head and adverb and preposition as head. So we have the example, I am so happy to see you. The head here is the word happy, functions as head of the adjective phrase, so happy. Number two, we have, I would like to see you very soon. The word soon is the head of the adverbial phrase, state that very soon. Number three is, I dropped it straight down the drain. The word down the drain is the head of the prepositional phrase straight down the drain. Proceed to the second, verb phrase structure. A verb phrase structure of modification occur when the verb is the head of the phrase. Yes. So we have our given example, which is meticulously work. I know you always work meticulously. The underlined word there is work, which is our verb, and it modified the word meticulously. Manage gracefully. Yes. The underlined word there is gracefully, and it modifies the word manage. Have always practiced. The underlined word there is to. The word have and practice, and it modifies the word always. Now is the third adjective phrase structure. An adjective phrase structure of modification occur when the adjective is the head of the phrase. For example, we have quite fabulous. The underlined word there, fabulous, is our head, and it is the adjective, and it modifies the word quite. Number 2 example, gorgeously handsome. The underlined word there, which is our head, is the word handsome, and it modifies the word gorgeously. Same with the not too skinny. The word skinny is our head, which is it is our adjective, and it modifies the word not too. The fourth one is the prepositional phrase structure. The prepositional phrase structure of modification occurs when the adjective is head of the phrase. We have the example here, such in favor. Yeah. The underlined word in favor is the head, and it modifies the word such. Right to my head. Yes. The head there is to my head, and that underlined word, and it modifies the word right. Broken to the bone. The head there is to the bone, and it modifies the word broken. Let's proceed to the last one, adverb phrase structure. An adverb phrase structure of modification occurs when the adverb is the head of the phrase. Example, very rapidly. The word rapidly there is the head, and it modifies the word very. More consistently. The word consistently is our head, and it modifies the word more. Yes, so same with the so indifferently. Yes, the word indifferently is it's our head, and it modifies the word so.